Is your Windows 11 PC feeling sluggish, constantly nagging you about low disk space, and threatening to grind to a halt? Don't worry, today, we're diving deep into how to clean your C drive in Windows 11, reclaiming precious gigabytes and breathing new life into your system. First, let's tackle those pesky temporary files. Click on the Start button, then in the search bar, type Disk Cleanup and hit Enter. This built-in tool is your first line of defense against clutter. In the Disk Cleanup window, you'll see a list of file types. Check the boxes next to Temporary Files, Recycle Bin if you're sure you don't need anything in there, and Downloaded Program Files. You can also click Clean Up System Files for an even deeper clean. Next, let's enable Storage Sense. Go back to the Start menu, and this time search for Storage Settings. Click on it in the Storage Settings. You'll find the Storage Sense option. Toggle it on. This automatically frees up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Time to uninstall any apps you no longer use. In Settings, click on Apps, then Apps and Features. Scroll through the list and uninstall any programs you don't recognize or haven't used in a while. Be careful not to uninstall anything important, of course. Finally, go through your desktop, downloads, and documents folders to delete large files that you do not need, and then empty your recycle bin, and that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully cleaned your C drive in Windows 11, freeing up valuable space and improving your computer's performance. Now, go enjoy a faster, more responsive PC.